Windows 11 Tiny is a lightweight version of the latest operating system from Microsoft. It is designed to provide a faster, smoother, and more efficient computing experience for low-end systems and devices with limited resources. Windows 11 Tiny offers most of the essential features of Windows 11 while consuming fewer system resources, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a simple and speedy operating system. First, go to the link in pinned comment. And click on ISO image files. Select the first one. Wait until complete. Go to the second link. Click on the first one. Plug in an empty USB that have at least 8 GB. Open it up. Select the ISO image you've just downloaded. Click on Start. Search for your board boot menu. Make sure to create a new partition. Wait. 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 Complete Windows installation. Complete Windows installation. Complete Windows installation. Complete Windows installation. This ISO also support Windows Update. In conclusion, Windows 11 Tiny is an excellent alternative for users with older or low-end hardware who want to enjoy the benefits of Windows 11 without experiencing any performance issues. If you're looking for a lightweight and simplified version of Windows 11, then Windows 11 Tiny might be the right choice for you.